Today's Biohack Thursday is going to be short and sweet. This is not about macros, calories, or muscle. This is about controlling the blood sugar curve. You've heard me say build your plate around protein, but what most people don't realize is that protein blends the glucose spike from the rest of the meal, and that changes everything. When you eat protein first, two things happen. It slows gastric emptying and it reduces how fast glucose hits the bloodstream. Same meal, but totally different blood sugar curves. You have less insulin, less inflammation, fewer cravings, and more stable energy after meals. This is why some people eat clean and still feel awful. Here's the hack. Eat protein first, non-starchy vegetables next, carbs or dessert last, or if at all. You don't change the food, you change the order. In metabolically unhealthy people, meal sequence can make the difference between a spike and a smooth curve. So I want you to try this for 3 days. Protein first at every meal. Then tell me, did your cravings drop? Did energy stay steadier? That's not willpower, that's physiology working in your favor. Do this today, do it every day.